Morning, Judge.
Hey.
Just introducing myself. My name is Nick Gudowski. I'm
Hi, Nick.
covering-
Okay, thank you so much.
Judge.
Yeah.
Nick, this will be on Teams if it needs anything, okay?
Perfect. So Nick, we're just doing PC on everything for now.
Judge, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Bottom of 11, Sanchez.
Mr. Sanchez, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $200 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Yes, Judge. On 4/16/2026 in Harris County, Texas. Officers observed two vehicles traveling at a high rate of speed on I-10. The vehicles are traveling at a speed exceeding the imposed 60-mile-per-hour speed limit, weaving in and out of traffic across all four lanes. The officers reached speeds exceeding 100 miles an hour to catch up to the vehicle. The officer observed the vehicle make an evasive lane change, causing an 18-wheeler and another vehicle to apply their brakes to avoid a collision. A traffic stop was conducted on the vehicle and the defendant was ID'd as the driver.
Did they get the co-defendant? Do you know? Is there a
I don't
co-defendant, I
think
guess?
connected case.
No.
Judge.
Okay. Does Mr. Sanchez have a license to drive?
It looks like he does, Your Honor. It is.
Is it eligible, I guess? Mr. Sanchez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to participate in this type of driving anymore. Reckless driving, maniacal driving, street takeovers, donuts, racing. If you do, I will put you in jail and then I will take your ability to drive away from you. You are not allowed to drive unless you have a Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. And those are also conditions of your bond. If I find that you drive without those two, likewise into jail you go. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
His license, eligible, Judge.
Okay. How old are you, Mr. Sanchez? What are you doing with yourself these days? And how much money do you make a month?
It depends. I just started, so I'd probably say around 3,000.
And who do you live with?
My son.
Okay. Did you want to apply for a court-appointed lawyer? Or do you want to try to go hire a lawyer?
Can I hire one?
Yes, of course. We'll give you time. I'm telling you now, don't drive like this again. Otherwise, it's not going to go well for you. I'm going to protect my community at all costs. I don't care how old you are. Do you understand? We're going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. I'm going to have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get the bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Do you mind filing no reckless driving, donuts, street takeovers, and all that, Judge?
Yes.
Please.
All right, Judge, bottom of 12, Soyun, Bernadette is SOI.
Nick, did you hear that? SOY is the next person. So you,
I'm sorry, Judge. How do you spell
SOY?
SOY?
Yeah. But take your time. I mean, you can do the conditions first and then we'll do it. So you don't have to worry about it later. You just let me know when you're ready.
Judge, you'd just like me to follow a motion for bond conditions? correct?
Sure. Yeah. The bond conditions, reckless driving, street takeovers, donuts, driving without a license or insurance.
Okay, Judge, I'm ready.
You ready? Ms. Soyun, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You speak English, correct?
Okay.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On 4/17/2026 in Harris County, Texas, the defendant was observed by a witness, an off-duty officer approach an intersection and sit through 3 life cycles. Witness had to reach in and engage the parking, the gear shift in the vehicle as it was still in drive. An officer woke the defendant up, had them exit the vehicle, and they observed 2 open beer cans and a 12-pack of beers in the back seat. Officers observed the defendant to have slurred speech, be uneasy on their feet, as well as the odor of alcoholic beverage about the person. Officer observed defendant to be disoriented and was confused about where they were coming from. He stated that he had 2 beers. Standardized field sobriety tests were refused. DIC was read and a blood search warrant was executed.
Do you mind running an NCIC? Are there any prior DWIs?
Judge, it looks like his license is eligible. I don't see any prior DWIs. I do see an open container on his driver's license, ticket.
What do you mean an open, just in this case, right?
A separate open container. ticket.
There's another open.
It looks like that, Judge.
So you and I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. You're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, likewise into jail you go. I will revoke the bond. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yes.
We will give you time. I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center Reset. We're going to get all the bond. Hold on. I'm going to get all the bond conditions created for you to sign. Like I said, don't drive without a car that has an interlock. Do you understand? Okay, come on.
All right, Judge, bottom of 13. We'll let him say that last one.
Bottom of 13. Siobhan, did you see this one is TCH? The last name
Oh, got it.
starts with.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, I can sign for your research.
Come on up. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with interference with the duties of a public servant. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay?
Yes, Judge. On 4/17 of 2026 in Harris County, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for failing to signal a turn at an intersection. The defendant was identified as the driver of the vehicle. They observed the strong odor of alcohol and beverage, and the defendant had plastic red eyes and appeared disoriented and confused. They instructed her to exit the vehicle, but she refused. She was given clear and repeated instructions and was advised that she was being detained, and she continued to refuse. They attempted to remove her from the vehicle, but she resisted by tensing her arms, pulling away, and refusing to provide her hands. Defense actions required additional physical effort to gain control and delay the detention process.
Okay. Does she have a license to drive?
Judge, I see some DWIs. The driver's license is not eligible, Judge.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to drive. I don't care what you have to do in this life. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, it is a condition of your bond that you're not to drive. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? That's the only condition I'm placing on you. If you want to drive, go get a license, get insurance, and I'll happily take this restriction off. But if you do, it's really not going to go well for you. You will be signing a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to us that you're not going to drive. There's nothing in this life that you can justify doing it. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
At this time, I don't.
Okay, I can have you apply if you'd like to. Deputy will give you an application. I need you to fill it out. I need to know everything about you. Don't just put zeros, otherwise I'm going to send it back to you.
Okay.
I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you take your seat in the jury box. I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign, and then we'll have you fill out the application.
Okay.
Please.
All right, Judge, that's it for now. Go ahead and sign for your reset.
Hey, Victoria, ma'am, come up here. We need you to swear to us.
Raise your hand.
Victoria,
Yes, sir.
we have quite a bit of people there. Are they
That's-
lawyers?
I think there's two of them waiting on this.
No PHAs?
No, like hired attorney or.
Yeah, but no PHAs?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
One moment. Oh. You want to?
Ms. Reingold, is Vars here?
Yes.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, and then raise your hand.
Step down.
Oh, you picked up a new case?
Yeah, this was first.
No?
No, keep yours for legal treatment.
Yes. The arrest related entry was updated this morning because he has an entry at 9:10 and another one at 9:23. He was also secured up yesterday and that came back.
Okay, good. So the only bond violation is that he's, okay, I'm gonna continue his supervision, but let him know if he shows up again late, it's not gonna go well the next time, okay?
And he did make it here at about 8:20. We don't.
Great, but just let him know, I'm not gonna give him another chance after this. I'm not gonna continue to just baby and baby and baby. He's old enough to understand that actions have consequences, and just let him know. This is a final chance. Yes, ma'am, thanks, yes.
Why couldn't you set this up?
It's up to you. I would just do a normal reset 30 days.
So he was supposed to have get a job.
Okay, 2 weeks. I want him to work. Right, so he needs to come back in 2 weeks with proof that he's got 15, 20 applications or that he's got a job. I don't want him to just hang out and do nothing all day. Hi, come on up. Yes, ma'am. Mhm.
So he's here and I spoke with him and he wanted to know if they want to be open to extending the curfew to 9:30.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Sure, of course, but I want him to start working though. It's imperative. Okay, you got it.
Mr. Golden, they're just opening. So, for yes, yeah.
Sanchez, Browning.
This story. I'll leave the assigned AT after.
Hey, come on out. Hey, good morning. You're in Gatterson, right?
Roslyn,
Oh, got it.
out of state.
Are you, okay?
I really wanted to just check it.
Wait, have you signed on to the case?
Yeah, I was appointed. On
You were? Okay,
Monday or Tuesday.
got it.
And I just wanted to check your temperature before I ask you for a volunteer.
We have special prosecutors that deal with it.
I do understand that. I know Mr. Day, and I was just gonna approach with, state if it's here or no.
You have to do it with Day.
You gotta go with that.
Let me get a hold of him and tell him.
He just actually emailed me and said, I didn't want to start a hearing and, Mr. Day is kind of like, you need a.
Well, no, but he's got special information about the case that they don't. That's why there's a separate fugitive division that only deals with fugitive cases. And so that's why he's on all of them.
Well, share a file.
No, not for fugitive cases. I'll reach out to him though, if you'd like.
I'll shoot him the email. He put the email here a few minutes ago.
Got it.
Okay, you have the cost.
I do.
Counsel, you ready?
Morning, Judge.
Hi, come on up.
I have a off docket matter.
What's your cause number?
It is 260.
Hold on a second. Hold on. I lost the page. Okay, 260.
741301.
Okay,
So I've already talked to the court coordinator about this. A bench warrant was issued for his non-appearance on Wednesday. Somehow the signals got crossed. I was on trial and had been given a reset date. So we're seeking to have the reinstated, Judge.
did he miss court?
He did miss court, but.
Well, that's why we
Can I
issued a
close?
warrant.
Well, can I close?
Well, sure, but I mean, if he missed court, he missed court.
Judge,
Well-
he emailed me for an off-docket reset, and I just didn't do it.
Oh,
So
Wasn't reflected.
was he supposed to be here?
he was required, but it was for proof of a job.
Okay. Nevertheless, he's still supposed to be here. You know, I mean, we don't, if he's supposed to be here because we have a bond conditions for him to do something, he's still got to be here regardless. I would have issued the warrant.
Right.
Had you been here, had you not been here, because he's
Okay.
supposed to be here.
Okay.
You know, I mean, have
I
him
will
come on
also- I
Monday.
will also, note, Judge, that I do have medical, it was like 2 foot. I do have medical documentation. His 1-year-old daughter went into seizures, lost consciousness, and he was sitting with her that day in the hospital. At her bedside. He does have medical documentation.
Show me.
Provided to the court. I'll need to go downstairs and print it out. I can come back and show it to you.
I mean, you can email it to them if you want. If
Okay,
it'll
I'll
be
do that.
easier, email it and then I'll take a look at it. But regardless, he's going to have to come here.
Okay, okay.
So, I mean, send them, let me take a look at it, but
Okay.
he's going to have to come Monday regardless.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, send it and then I'll take a look.
Okay.
Sure. Hey,
Thank So, Judge, we have one Polish arraignment, that's really good for
okay.
August 7th.
Excloy, come up with an I. With an I, starts with an I. Sir, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay.
Yes, Judge. On 4/19 of 2026 in Harris County, Texas, officers conducted a traffic stop on a motor vehicle for swerving into oncoming traffic. Almost causing a head-on collision. Upon contact with the defendant, the driver, officers observed the odor of alcoholic beverage on the breath, bloodshot eyes, and slurred speech. Officers also observed an open 12-ounce Modelo that was 3/4 full between the driver door and the driver's seat. Standardized field sobriety tests were conducted with 6 out of 6 clues on the HGN, 5 out of 8 clues on the walk and turn, and 1 out of 4 clues on the one-leg stand. DIC was red, the defendant consented to breath, and blew a .129.
Any prior DWIs, and does he have a license?
Not that I see, Judge. I don't see a driver's license on file either.
Mr. Ixchloy Butts, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I would venture a guess that it's damn elementary. You're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you were driving. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered to obtain a handheld portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. If you do, I will put you in jail. I will revoke your bond. No more PR bonds. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in custody for the next 6 months. And then you get shipped off to immigration while you sit for another couple months. Do you understand? Yes or no?